Tarot card of the day, the summer rain. Today's energy is gentle yet cleansing, much like a warm summer rain washing over the earth. This card invites you to release old burdens. Let your emotions flow freely and allow healing to take place. Just as the rain nourishes the ground, today is about nourishing your soul, finding renewal, and embracing the calm after a storm. Message: let what no longer serves you be washed away. Today, you are ready for fresh beginnings. Keywords: renewal, emotional release, healing, fresh energy, inner peace.